Perfect. Perfect.
Alright, so it's like 10 o'clock on a Wednesday night, and Arvin from RB Factory was nice enough to give me one of these FGep cup things, but unfortunately I don't have a tip that it'll screw into, so can't use that. Alright, so I gave this one a quick go. I think it turned out alright. Some of my better welds, which is nice. That side not so much, don't worry about it. This fits up onto here, fits up onto there, and then it's got to fit up against this other one. Now, without that FGep cup, I don't know how I'm going to be able to weld in this gap here. Might have to get a tighter lens, but anyway, I'm just going to buzz this one on in the meantime. Worry about that later. Maybe I can just put some JB weld in there, that ought to do it. Surely no one will notice at the back of the engine. And then same with under here, it's going to be quite a tight squeeze. I don't know if I'm going to be able to manage it, but I'll get the sides done for now. Worry about those bits later. And then glue it right through the middle. And the majority of it's done, just the tight bits after that. So we'll keep cruising and see how we end up. Alright, we had a bit of a rocky start with a tip touch, and then it blew out really badly, so it was all sooty. I also forgot to wipe it with acetone beforehand, but anyway, wiped it down, got going, had a decent little run there, and then I ran out of filler, I think. Oh no, sorry, I had another tip touch. The whole thing's like rocking around all over the place. Like, makes it very difficult to weld. Anyway, started back up and went okay. Wasn't as good as I'd like. And then this last bit, oof, turned out much better than expected. This camera really makes it look like shit. Maybe it's the lighting. That's a bit better. Oh, whatever. I'm not a very good welder, but I'm pretty pleased with these. Hopefully they'll hold more than 1 PSI of boost, unlike the last intake manifold. So, yeah, I guess next we just give this a little bit of a clean up. And then throw this piece on, like so. See if I can get that welded in place. If I'm really brave, which I'm probably not. Alright, I've done both sides now, these outsides anyway. I'm pretty happy with how they're turning out. I'm not going to flip it over because the other side looks much the same. But I think those are fairly respectable, especially considering these kind of look a little bit dribbly. But, I mean, these are probably weaker. I have no idea. I don't really care. It looks close enough. And if it explodes, just do it again. Alright, so finally done. It's about 20 past 1 in the morning, and probably shouldn't have done the last weld I did, because it kind of looks like shit, but made do with what I could, and I don't think it will leak, so that's close enough. As for the rest of them, turned out okay. I haven't hit these ones with a wire brush or anything. I think they're pretty reasonable. Even this one through the middle here turned out okay. So anyway, we can go to bed now and get up for work in the morning. Yay! Having a day job's awesome.
Ah yes, the blackness, good footage. Ooh, that looks good. Got some nice little pedestals. It is affixed. The camera lighting guy over here. Close up, get the close up. There it is, look at that. Not washed out or anything. Beautiful. Actually going to be passable. What do you reckon, Luke? Watch it leak and snap all the mounts off in the first pull. Alright, so Luke's finally stuffed the 6 litre in here. You got a light for me, mate? This video is even worse than the photos. There we go. So he's finally stuffed the 6 litre in here. There's a moth cruising around checking it out. Looks pretty good. So the intake pipe fits lovely. We'll just change this up a little bit. But other than that, it's all clearing down here. Got a straight shot. Got some fittings that need some work. But yeah, other than that, we're going to play with some screamers tonight. See if we can't attach one here and make it go out there. Same with the other side. And what do you reckon, Luke?
Pretty keen.
Pretty keen? How keen are you, mate? What's that beard? Bloody cool to say.
Good cunts. You can't even see it.
Spelt with a K, baby. So Luke's also managed to put in some hard returns to the sump for the turbos, and they look like they're gonna clear nicely.
On the phone it works the best.
Yeah, probably, but I don't do very well. So that's maybe your only close point there, but all these are going to be ceramic coated and wrapped and all that garbage. This other side, lovely. There was no test, just bend it up on the engine stand and stuff it in the car, see what happens. Oh, I'm the best cameraman ever. You think they don't pay me to do this? Good stuff. Here's some action shot. Oh, look at the stance on it. That's how you drill a manifold, kids.
Oh, me bit! I just tightened that cunt up. I just want to see it grab and fuck up my hand.
That'd be pretty funny, actually. Fucking thick as the wall. There it is. There's the flavour. It's like a whole episode of drilling. This is going to be one of the better ones. Hey, there it is. Hey, and it came back.
My man.
Straight as an arrow. Yeah. Perfect fit.
Wallered out a bit.
Does that fit? Bruh. Fucking garbage. Bruh. Call me a civil engineer, baby. I'm building a bridge today.
Close to choo-choo noises, Tommy.
Closest it's been in years.
Fuck off. Made choo-choo noises. Just to fucking go anywhere.
One, two. Is that a third?
No, not yet. I'll have you know that. Wow, everyone.
Nearly a scarrick.
That was nearly a drip.
Etnies?
Unit.
Oh, unit. What about tap out though?
Etnies. Jesus Christ.
I really hope this makes it into the video.
Fucking etnies. Etnie crabapple.
Man, half this video is just chassis rail.
And you know that's good enough to make it into a theory garage app.
This gun. You think I'm made of content? It's few and far between. This is the first video we've done in like 8 weeks. You're like the one-man band down here on the light jacket behind your head. The bung neck, no shoes, fucking welcome to the fucking Fury Garage.
Fucking hate those. Get in there.
You've run out of dick yet or what?
I think I'll never run out of. It's
Family. We're on the same page at least. Right. How are we looking up the front there, Tomas? Oh, fucking up more. Yeah, I know up, but just clearance wise for the minute.
Say when?
Just don't want to be mashing anything as we go up.
Hitting anything.
Alright, that's a good thing. Stop there, James. Did that go forwards or did that go?
Don't even know, man.
Oh, this needs to. Way the fuck over.
Alright, well, we're gonna jump cut now to this installed. I can see on the other side.